Hey guys, I'm Tim Williams with Lee Smith here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. My phone number is 423-269-0890. You can reach me at twilliams@lee-smith.com. I want to take you guys for a spin in this 2020 HV with an A26. I want to show you around Chattanooga. Come on, let's go for a ride. See what this bad boy can do. Let's roll. Hey guys, welcome to the structure field in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I want to show you this A26 engine. As you can see here, this 12.4 liter A26 with 450 horsepower and 1,700 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison 4500 RDS transmission. This thing will pull and haul pretty much anything you're looking for. Come on down to Lee Smith and take this baby for a ride and see what it can do for you. Hey guys, we're here at Finley Stadium, home of the UTC Mocs. So here in the HV dump truck, we've got the classic interior with the vinyl seats, air ride seats, also the tilting, telescoping steering wheel. It also has a Bluetooth accommodation in the steering wheel and the marker interrupt. As you can see, there's several USB charging ports within the truck, cigar lighter, and many other features. We also have the drop axle and PTO for the dump truck, for the dump body. Also the sun visor and the CB accommodation. Very well appointed truck. I think it's going to be very comfortable for your day. Come take it for a spin. Let's go look at some more of Chattanooga. This 2020 HV is well equipped, ready for you to haul some dirt, rock, whatever you want to haul. It's got the 20,000 Meritor front end axles with the 70-gallon fuel tank. It also has the Hendrickson suspension, walking beam with a 46,000 pound rear tandem axles, and the drop axle is a 20,000 pound as well, steer axle. We've got a 16-foot Rogers Millennium dump body. It's a 25-yard dump with the high lift tailgate, tarp system. Come around the back here, we also have the Pendle hitch. Let's go take a look at more Chattanooga. Come on, let's go. Hey guys, I wanted to show you a little bit more about this dump body we've got here. It's a Rogers dump body, and if you look down here, we got the controls for the PTO and for the drop axle. This is the tarp control. This covers and uncovers the tarp. This is for the gate latch. This will lock the gate for your safety and everybody that's riding behind you. This raises and lowers the body itself, and this raises and lowers the high lift tailgate. Come on back, I want to show you the inside of this body. Rogers body is a Millennium body, 16 foot. As you can see, it's got the high lift tailgate, the self-cleaning drum, good for asphalt, gravel, dirt, whatever you might be hauling. Perfect for your application. We actually have the inverted brake chambers, which is good for asphalt spreading. The spreader can go right up against the back of the truck without damaging the brakes. This is a fantastic truck, great application. This is your 2020 International HD dump truck, 16-foot body. So a workhorse, it's gonna get the job done for you. Here we go. Hey guys, we're back here at Lee Smith. This is where it all began, 1939. 82 years of parts, sales, service, bus, truck, coach, you name it, anything, work truck. Come down and see us, see what we can do for you. My name's Tim Williams. My number's 423-269-0890. twilliams@leesmith.com.
Who you gonna trust your work truck with? It's good old boys down at Lee Smith. Who you gonna trust your work truck with? It's good old boys down at Lee Smith.
We're here in Chattanooga. Hope to see you soon.